Hi, welcome to Fix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to add repository on your Cloudstream. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your browser of any choice and then install Cloudstream on your phone. Having done that, the next thing is to set it up and open it this way. So right here, you just click on the settings option here. From here, you're going to see an option that says add repository. You just click on it. Next thing you have to do is to go to the browser of your choice. So right here, you just type in Cloudstream repository. Click on the first website they'll have here. All you have to do is to scroll gently and you're going to see the list of repositories. Just click on show list of repository. So you're going to see the different list of different repository that will have. Any of them that you click on will automatically be added. You can see you can go back and add again. So you can go back to the browser and select any of them and automatically it will be added. Let's look for another one. As you can see, automatically it will be added. So guys, that's it on how to add repository to Cloudstream. If this video was helpful, please do also follow Fix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.